Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to increase the font size on Workbench. So to get started, go to Edit from the navigation menu and then go to Preferences. We will find here Fonts and Colors. Click on Font and Color and then increase the size of font 10 or 15 and then 20, also 20. So click on OK. We won't be seeing the font size getting bigger in size because this console is already open. Now open new console and type select the star from table name. Now the font size is getting increased as we change the setting. So this is how we can increase the font size, and this is all for today's video. Thank you.